The Freelander is a brave and sophisticated car that represents the Land Rover spirit in every detail. To reinforce this positioning and promote sales, we've created a character, the Land Rover spirit itself. A mysterious being that takes control of the car at the dealership to communicate with consumers. How? By flashing Morse code messages using the car's headlights. The campaign began when cars started to flash their headlights in dealerships throughout the country. As if trying to say something, everyone would stop to look without understanding what was happening. The answer was on Facebook. On the radio, consumers were also invited to go to our fan page and discuss what was going on. On the third day, thousands of fans had realized that the headlights were flashing Morse code messages. A competition started over who would be the first to translate the content. For nearly 2 weeks, the car's features were the main topic of social media conversations. In the end, after interacting with consumers at several touchpoints, the campaign had an additional surprise for those who participated in the action.